Hey everyone! Alright, so Shelley has been wanting to do a makeup tutorial video for quite some time, and she's been showing me videos of other people doing it, and you know, whatever, we were trying to figure out what to do. Then I came up with the idea, why doesn't she just do my makeup and make me look pretty? Because here's the thing, she gets ready every morning and it takes her so long and I get so annoyed, but I guess I kind of don't appreciate what she does every time. So anyways, if she does this to me, puts makeup on me, maybe I'll appreciate it more. I really doubt it. But anyways, this is the beautiful slate that she has to work with today. As you can see, I'm very scruffy, so I'm actually going to shave. I'm going to put my contacts in so my glasses aren't there, and then she's going to do her magic on me. My face is all wet now. It's ready for the stuff. When I shave, I always put my hand right here, like that. Like, I'm not pulling my skin down, I'm just putting it there, and I don't know why. It's kind of weird. Alright, so now that we've done that, now it's time to do it backwards. Oh, it's so smooth! Oh god, it's so smooth. Alright, I'm going to empty this out and then I'm going to show you a shot of the sink after I'm done before I rinse it out. It's actually pretty cool.
It's pretty grody.
Like I gave the sink a beard. That's what it looks like. So yeah, here it is. Alright, time to put in my contacts. Off with the glasses, and now I'm blind.
I've been wearing contacts since I was 12, and when I was in high school I experimented with colored contacts. And it used to really squick people out if they'd ask me, oh, are those colored contacts? What color are your eyes naturally? And I'd actually put my finger on my contact, swipe it to one side to show them the difference. And they'd go, oh, no.
One.
I'm rocking glasses today because I take one day off a week at least to give my eyes a rest.
So do I.
Yes,
But
normally.
I want to be beautiful today.
Gorgeous.
There we go.
All right.
Contacts. Alright, so now begins the part where Shelley starts telling me what to do, and I don't know how to do it correctly, so she's telling me I have to wash my face in like a really special way. Some sort of, it says Clinique 7-day scrub cream rinse off formula, and then it says, I believe something in French, I'm not exactly sure. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh god, that much?
Yes, that much.
That's a lot.
I know.
Look at that.
I
That's
know.
like a quarter. Okay, now what do I do?
Put a little dab, put a good bit on your forehead, on your nose, and on your chin. Now start rubbing, and I mean rubbing.
There's like sand or something inside of it.
That's the point. It's scraping off the dead skin.
Oh, God. I'm literally sandpapering my face right now.
What a baby.
I'm not a baby, it just hurts. Why would you do this to yourself?
For smooth skin.
Oh.
Probably good. Did
Right.
you scrub good around your T-zone? Your T-zone is your forehead and down your face. All right.
My T-zone is clean.
Yeah, that looks very good.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna wash your face with bar soap just like you do every day.
So just for those of you keeping track, you have to wash your face and then wash your face because of washing your face.
Yes. This is a special soap. This is also from Clinique. It's a face and body bar, and it's good for acne-prone skin. It's got a mild formula, so it keeps you from breaking out, because I still have that problem even at 40.
Ah!
Michael's going to let me do something that I've wanted to do forever. I'm going to pluck his eyebrows. He has nice eyebrows, but they need shaped, and he's got some crazy old man hairs, like right here, going whoop. So they're going.
All right, here's my eyebrows before.
All right, here we go. I promise I will not take more than needs to be taken. You will still have eyebrows when we're done. All right, here we go.
It just hurts.
Yeah, I know. Crazy old man hair. Woohoo!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
That was a bad one.
I'm glad you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, because you're never gonna let me do it again. Yes, that'll do.
Okay.
Much better.
Can you guys tell the difference?
Okay, so now we are clean and smooth, and now we're going to tone and moisturize. And I use part of the Clinique 3-step program. This is number 4, clarifying lotion for oily skin, and I'm going to apply that to the mic. Remove the last of any oils, and you know, for most women, any makeup that you got left behind. So this will take it off.
My face like really hurts right now.
I know that's probably a little too strong for you, but it's what I've got. All right, now this is a magic product. This is Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief. This is what I use in the winter time. Even if you have oily skin, you can use this. It's wonderful, plump lotion, and I don't know, it just feels plump. And it feels greasy when you put it on, but not for long at all. And it just soaks in and it takes away all the dryness, and it's lovely. We'll leave that soak in for a minute. It takes a lot of prep work to look pretty. Primer. I have a couple different primers. I have this stuff that my mother gave me. It's by Mally, but I think it's discontinued, but it's a perfect prep primer. I also have this stuff, which is Maybelline Master Prime Primer and Base to Blur and Smooth. He's picky about greasy stuff on his face, so I'm gonna go with this. I'm not crazy about it, but it seems to help a little. Basically what primer does, if you don't know, which you don't, is it preps your skin, and if you have large pores, or if you're prone to shine, it goes on, it seals your pores a little bit, fills them in, and just kind of blurs the fine lines if you have the right kind. And it helps your makeup last a lot longer. So if you've got something that you need to look gorgeous all day or all night, you certainly want to start with this. I'm going to use this on Michael, even though I didn't use it on me, because I want to play with my new tool. Everyone keeps talking about these beauty blenders. I didn't really know what they were for necessarily, or why they were necessary, but I decided to splurge. I got one for $6 at Target from Elf, I think, and I love it. So we're going to use it on you. Is your basic face paint to cover up imperfections and start with a nice blank canvas.
Are you implying I have imperfections?
Don't get me started, honey. I love you.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna blot. We're going blending. Blending. Beautiful.
Yeah, this burns, by the way.
It doesn't burn.
It hurts.
It doesn't.
You said it wasn't gonna hurt.
It shouldn't hurt.
Well, it does.
This is gonna look a little weirder on you. It's gonna look different on you than it does on me, because I think your skin is actually paler than mine. I'm gonna blend around here and I'm gonna hit you up with some concealer. I don't know how this is gonna work with your 5 o'clock shadow, but we'll do the best we can. You never want to have a line going here along the jawline, so you blend. Oh, and by the way, this is Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup. I don't always use Clinique because I'm cheap, and for a lot of things, drugstore brands are fine. But for important things, especially things that go on my face like this, I do like to use Clinique. I have tried, when I was younger, I tried a number of drugstore products for skincare with really no effect, and Clinique was the only thing that controlled my breakouts. Are you being self-indulgent?
I guess.
All right, so now we're going to use this. I found this product. My mother showed it to me. This is called Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. And this is fun because you just open it and you twist it a click or two, and the stuff comes out with a little brush. Get a little bit in here. And we're going to draw a V, because that's what you do. It makes for easier blending.
That doesn't look good at all, you know.
We're not done.
Oh. How do you do this when you can't see with your eyes closed?
You look with the other eye. All right, now we're going to finish it off with just a little bit of, again, Clinique, and this is blended face powder. You don't need a ton, especially if you're using this with other stuff. I'd use this just by itself on me, and I use more, but you're fine. We're just going to set everything. Now we're going to apply a little Physicians Formula Blushing Rose Multicolored Blush. Fun. And you're a similar color to me, so this should look good on you. Okay. I'm sorry.
Why are you laughing at me?
Up until now, even with the foundation, you just looked, you know, like a more smooth version of Michael, but this looks like makeup now. I'm sorry, guys. Pretty. We're going to do two things about your brows, because yours are more sparse than mine. We're going to fill them in with a little powder, and then we're going to use the gel.
We're doing a slutty eye.
No, we're not doing a slutty eye. We've got this nice neutral color palette of pinks and browns, again, from Clinique. But we will put a little light color with a nice big fluffy brush. Now we're going to do a pale brown right here on the lid, and I think then we might leave it at that. Are you pretty?
I'm getting pretty, yeah, definitely.
Now, we're going to finish up. This is one of my cannot not have products. If I'm wearing makeup at all, I'm wearing powder, I'm wearing something on my brows, I'm wearing eyeliner and mascara. Anything else is extra. Now this is a nice gel pencil, and it's going to go on nice and smooth. So we're just going to dip this in a little more powder, close. Just very lightly go over it, very lightly. It sets it so it's less likely to migrate. By the way, oh shoot, I'm sorry.
By the way, poke!
Sorry, I do that to myself too. This is a fantastic product. This is the best mascara I've ever experienced. This is a L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. My mother told me about it, and it is definitely my favorite of all time. Normally, I use Maybelline mascara because the expensive stuff does not seem to work any better, and in fact, sometimes worse. But I really, really love this product. Don't need this on myself, but again, harder to do on another person. I'm just going to comb through these to get rid of the clumps. And we're almost done. We're going to take one of my favorite products. This is Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleaning Water. You can get this at Target for about $7, and this big bottle lasts for months. It will take off all your makeup, even the eye makeup, unless it's waterproof mascara. But then they do have another version of this for that, but I don't use it. Holy crap, you have got crazy long lashes. I'm jealous. So we're just going to put on a little bit of Burt's Bees on your lips, and then top it off with a little bit of Clinique Chubby Stick in Broadest Berry, because that's what I have on hand. All right.
Good.
You're done.
I'm done.
So now that we have this gorgeous creation done, sorry to say that all good things must come to an end, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how you take it off, which is really, really easy. Again, you need this product right here, which we used earlier to clean up around Michael's eyes, beautiful eyes that they are. And you need a big cotton pad, maybe two, depending on how much makeup you're wearing. Actually, you're wearing foundation, so you're definitely gonna need two.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You can't do this wrong.
Look at that.
Don't stroke up, stroke down. All right, I think you look back to normal.
And the transformation is complete. So back to me.
You've done a full 360.
So that's that. She did my makeup. It sucked. Everything about it hurt. My face hurts right now. I still look like I'm wearing makeup, I think. Maybe I'm crazy, but it looks like my eyes are darker. Everywhere I look, it's cloudy. So she did something to my contacts or my eyes or something. I have no idea. It's not like she did it on purpose. I'm just pointing this out.
That happens.
Makeup really sucks. That's my answer to this.
Are you going to be a little more tolerant of me from now on, knowing what effort I go through?
Not even worth it.
I figured. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Bye, everyone.